Welcome to Sunday morning and another blizzard warning in the Northern Valley. Here's the DOT cam on I-29 by Grand Forks at 6 a.m. As you can see in the graph here from the Weather Service, blizzard warning east and west and north of Grand Forks. Look at the road map here at 6 a.m. Already no travel advised in almost all of northeast North Dakota. And here over on the Minnesota side of the river at Crookston, as of 6:30 a.m., Highway 2 from Grand Forks to Crookston is closed. Near whiteout conditions out on Highway 2, and basically all of northwest Minnesota, no travel advised. So if you had plans to head somewhere on this Sunday morning, better sit tight. You can't see out on the road. Near whiteout conditions on Highway 2 here, just on the outside of Crookston. The road here from Crookston to Grand Forks is now closed, and no travel advisory throughout northwest Minnesota. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.